Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I will be sharing the new Gnome 1Else clear stamp set. It is a 4x6 clear set, and it comes with 3 main images and 6 sentiments. And the sentiments are really great for anniversary. That one says happy anniversary. That one's you gnome my heart. And this little couple here on the swing measures about 2 by 2.5 inches. And this couple, who is actually sitting in a little leaf, that measures 2 3/4 by 2 inches. And the final little couple measures about 2 1/4 by 2.5 inches. And I love that he's holding a little flower. He's presenting a little flower to her. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. In this first one, I used the little couple that's in the leaf, and I just colored that up and then cut it out. I used the new Enchanted Forest background paper along with the fairies from the new Build-A-Fairy Garden die set. For my second sample, again, I used the Enchanted Forest background paper. And for this one, I used the little gnome couple where he's presenting her with the flower. And those mushrooms are also from the Build-A-Fairy Garden die set. And the butterflies and the little flowers are from the previously released Slimline Meadow die set. So that's it. That wraps up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.